Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to our channel. Welcome to the Buya channel. Today we are going to prepare soft chapatis using the ajab unga and fresh fry oil. So this is what I'm using, the ajab unga toxin safe. It's all baking purpose, all baking flour. You can bake anything using it. We are also going to use the fresh fry oil, and then I have my half teaspoonful of salt and 1 spoon of sugar, and my 1.5 cup of hot water. So here is the process. For you to get the most and the best soft chapatis, you have to put just a spoon of oil in it, in the hot water. Then you add your salt and sugar. After this, you can stir. You can use a spoon or your miko to stir. Then you add your flour. Make sure you are very careful not to pour everything inside. So you keep on stirring. As you can see, my water is very hot. You keep on adding according to the amount of water that you used, and make sure that it's not that hard for you. Make sure the dough is soft and very soft. Yes, you keep on adding small bit and small bit until everything is okay, until everything is well mixed. So at this point, you can use your hands, because now we can see the consistency is very nice. You can now use your hands. It was nice. Now we can use our hands to make it even better and easier for us. You keep on putting small amounts. Don't put everything inside. Yes, I'm doing this to remove everything from my makeup. Please guys, make sure to subscribe in my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Tell me what I could have done best. You can also correct me where I did not do well. Guys, as I'm doing this, my dough is hot. So since it's hot, I don't need to put it aside for some minutes or for some, I don't know, like 30 minutes or 1 hour for it to cook or to be okay. You keep on kneading until everything is okay, until everything is well mixed. And also guys, if you have your butternut, you can use your butternut to prepare this as well. So there are so many ways to do this. You keep on adding a bit by bit until everything is okay. It's good and well mixed. So the secret of this way of cooking, you have to put your water first. So as you continue kneading, that's when you know the amount of flour that you're going to add to your dough. Yeah. My unga is almost ready. And it's very, very soft. So at this point, to prevent it from stacking into your hands, you have to add 1 spoon of oil. You can also add another spoon here. Make sure everything goes inside, nothing goes to waste. Continue kneading your unga until it's ready. This can take you around 5 to 10 minutes to prepare for you to get the best results. Remember, the main aim is to have hot and very hot water for the best results. As you can see, everything is coming out and everything is going inside this dough. So this is the purpose of adding your oil. You can also put hot oil. Guys, as you can see, it's very rigid and very okay, very soft. It's not sticking to your basin. You see, everything goes inside and your basin is very, very clean. That's the secret of adding oil. Nice one. You see, everything goes inside. Everything is okay. That means my dough is now okay to prepare the chapatis. Yes. And now from this point, I'm going to do some rolls. It's ready. I don't have to wait for some time for my unga to be ready. Since I use hot water, that means my unga is okay and I can now start doing the chapatis. So cut this into small portions to your preference, what you like. I don't like big chapati. Is it big or fat or what? I don't know. I don't know the right one to use. Not the right one to use there. So I'm going to cut them into small portions and use the 1 small portions. You can measure them using your hand, your fingers, your hand. Pick your hand. You can measure them using your hand. Just small portions, and you set them aside. The reason why we are putting this flour here is to prevent them from being stuck. So I'm going to roll it like this. So you're going to do this to all your rolls, just like this. So this is how you're going to do to all your rolls. Don't mind my arm. Please help me. Oh no. Guys, don't worry. It has to come perfect and okay. So you're going to do this to all your rolls until everything is done. You see? So I already have my layers. So guys, it's already soft and very nice, and I've not yet finished cooking, so you'll see the end results. So you have to make sure that your chapo is well cooked. See guys, you can already see it has already started forming. Wow. Guys, this is what I was showing you. See our chapo, it has some layers. Wow, that is what I was talking about. Ooh, it's so hot. That's what I was talking about. It has layers, good layers, as you can see. Wow. See guys, please try my method and comment there and tell me how it is. It's so sweet. I love it. This is our end result of cooking chapati using fresh fry oil, aja flour, and using hot water. So these are chapati that we have already made. You can see they're so soft, very soft guys, very soft. You can see. Ona hizi chapo, ona zimeweza mbaya. This is our end result of our chapatis. You can see guys, very nice, very soft. See guys, very nice, see, and very soft. So try this recipe and comment below. Please subscribe, share, comment, and tell me more about this. Please try the recipe and give me the feedback. Bye guys, see you on my next recipe. I love you.